From data to dinner, the role of AI in feeding a growing population. Introduction. As climate change and a growing global population challenge food security, artificial intelligence (AI) emerges as a key player in sustainable agriculture. Today, we explore how AI transforms food production, ensuring adequate supply while protecting our planet, why it's important with the global population projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, food demand will surge. Coupled with climate change and dwindling resources, ensuring food security is increasingly urgent. AI innovations enhance productivity, reduce waste, and conserve resources, making them vital in addressing these challenges. Main insights. 1. Precision agriculture. AI allows farmers to monitor crop health in real time through drones and sensors, enabling informed decisions that optimize yields and resource use. 2. Predictive analytics. By analyzing historical and current data, AI forecasts crop yields and pest outbreaks, allowing farmers to adjust strategies for efficient fertilizer and pesticide use, resulting in healthier crops and a reduced environmental impact. 3. Sustainable practices. AI aids in developing sustainable farming by analyzing soil health, water usage, and crop rotation, maximizing production while maintaining ecological balance for future generations. Practical steps. 1. Adopt AI tools. Integrate AI-powered platforms for insights into crop management, such as soil health monitors and predictive analytics software. 2. Invest in training. Provide farmers with training on these technologies through workshops and online courses focused on AI in agriculture. 3. Collaborate with researchers. Partner with universities and tech companies to stay updated on AI innovations, fostering tailored solutions for local agricultural challenges. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on technology. While AI enhances efficiency, it's essential to value traditional farming knowledge and practices. Data privacy. Farmers should be cautious about sharing data with AI platforms, ensuring transparent data usage agreements and protection of personal information. Ignoring local context. AI solutions must be adapted to local agricultural conditions. A one-size-fits-all approach may not yield optimal results. Conclusion. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a crucial ally in achieving food security. By embracing AI in agriculture, we can feed a growing population while safeguarding our planet. Join the movement towards sustainable farming. Consider integrating AI tools today. Source list. 1. FAO on the future of food. 2. World Bank on agriculture and AI. 3. National Geographic on sustainable agriculture. Video script, Harvesting the Future. How AI is revolutionizing sustainable agriculture. Introduction. Imagine a world where technology not only meets our needs but also nurtures our planet. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming sustainable agriculture, creating a future where food security and environmental health coexist. Let's discover the innovations reshaping how we grow our food, why it's important as global food security faces challenges from climate change and a rising population. Innovative solutions are crucial. The UN estimates that by 2050, the world population will approach 10 billion, necessitating a 70% increase in food production. Traditional farming methods won't suffice. We must adopt sustainable practices to meet this demand without harming the environment. AI provides data-driven insights to optimize agricultural processes, reduce waste, and enhance sustainability. Main insights. 1. Precision agriculture. AI tools are revolutionizing crop monitoring. Drones equipped with AI assess plant health, soil conditions, and moisture levels, enabling farmers to act only when necessary, thereby conserving resources and increasing yields. Point 2. Predictive analytics. Machine learning analyzes historical data to forecast crop yields and identify potential issues early. By utilizing weather patterns and soil data, farmers can make informed planting and harvesting decisions, minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Point 3. Resource optimization. AI enhances resource management by optimizing water, fertilizers, and pesticides. Smart irrigation systems deliver precise amounts of water, reducing waste while ensuring healthy crops. Practical steps. 1. Adopt AI tools. Utilize AI-driven platforms like precision agriculture software and drones to monitor and manage crops effectively. Point 2. Leverage data. Collect and analyze data on weather, soil health, and crop conditions to inform better farming decisions. Point 3. Integrate smart technologies. Implement AI-powered irrigation and resource management systems to optimize inputs and minimize waste. Common mistakes: over-reliance on technology. While AI provides valuable insights, it should complement traditional agricultural knowledge and practices. Neglecting soil health. Prioritizing yield predictions can lead to soil degradation. Always focus on sustainable practices that enhance soil health. Ignoring local context. AI models often rely on generalized data. Tailor technology solutions to local conditions to ensure effectiveness. Conclusion: AI is more than just a buzzword, it's essential for transforming sustainable agriculture. By embracing AI technologies, we can address the challenges of food security and environmental sustainability. Are you ready to join the farming revolution? Explore AI solutions today and help cultivate a better tomorrow. Source list. 1. United Nations World Population Prospects. 2. AI in Agriculture, a comprehensive review. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about how AI is transforming agriculture for a sustainable future. Smart farming. AI innovations that could save the planet. Introduction. Imagine a future where farmers use artificial intelligence to increase crop yields while minimizing environmental impact. With climate change and a growing population, these innovations are essential for sustainable agriculture. Let's explore how smart farming is reshaping the agricultural landscape and securing our planet's future. Why it's important. The challenges of climate change and rising global food demands are unprecedented. By 2050, the world's population is projected to reach nearly 10 billion, intensifying pressure on agricultural systems. AI technologies optimize farming practices, enhance resource efficiency, and reduce ecological footprints, making them vital for achieving food security and environmental conservation. Main insights. 1. Precision agriculture. AI tools like drones and sensors allow farmers to monitor crop health in real time. These technologies collect data on soil moisture, nutrients, and pests, enabling targeted interventions that enhance productivity and reduce waste. Point 2. Predictive analytics. AI models analyze large datasets to forecast crop yields, helping farmers decide when to plant and harvest.